Real quick video on how to set the gas pressure on this makeup air unit. You don't need a manometer. Really, you just need a screwdriver and a temperature probe. So we're going to go by temperature rise, which is outdoor temperature minus supply temperature. Temperature rise is going to be 63 degrees. So 72 minus 135 equals 63. The reason why I say 135 is that's what my discharge temperature needs to be to get the 63 degree rise. Because it's 72 degrees outside, so we're going to use 135. So you'll adjust it here by whatever your temperature says here. Okay, so that's why I said you don't need a manometer. This pressure needs to be between 7 and 15. It hangs around 10 to 11. That's fine. So that's okay. Don't pay attention to this. Or don't try to hook up to here because you will confuse the heck out of yourself. Don't use your manometer. The only time you should use your manometer is when you're testing the inlet pressure to make sure you have good inlet. But you also have a gauge right here as well. So that's fine. But just in case, test the inlet pressure just to make sure the gauge is working. This needs to be set around 55 degrees. That's where I got it. This is set around 65 degrees. That's good. In order to adjust your pressure, you need the unit to be in high fire. In order to get in the high fire, you take your number 4 wire off. It's just hanging around somewhere. And now put it in high fire. Now you'll know you're in high fire as well because for one, the temperature is going to go up on discharge. Plus, if you look inside of here or the glass sight on the other side, you'll see a large yellow flame. Now, to test that theory out, put number 4 wire back on, take number 5 off, that's low fire. When you take 5 off, it's low fire. Okay, so 4 is back on, take 5 off, go around, look in the sight glass, you'll see a blue ribbon flame. It's a small, thin blue flame. No yellow, that's low fire. And when you take 5 off, put 5 back on, take 4 off, high fire, big yellow flame, that's normal. And you are set, that's it. Oh, another quick thing, to test your flame sensor out, you can turn this valve off, okay? You're gonna turn your discharge temperature up to get the it to come on. You'll take your voltmeter, set it for DC voltage, go from that prong to that prong with your leads, and you should be reading 15 to 16 volts. If it's under 15 volts, try cleaning it. If cleaning it does not work, replace flame rod. That simple.